Start by taking the 4 side bolts out, 2 on each side. Save these 4 bolts because you'll need them later to install your new bumper cap. Each side will have a bracket with 2 bolts holding the bumper on. Remove all 4 bolts. No need to save these. The bumper should now be free to pull off. Pull the 3 bolts out of the factory hook. Again, you won't need these parts any longer. You are now ready to slide your new bumper cap into place. 4 bolts you saved earlier, tighten the bolts in the side to hold it in place. You're good to go. For more information, head over to steinjager.com. Be sure to follow us on YouTube and Facebook to see more awesome stuff that we're working on. Thanks for watching.